After watching this video, you will get acquainted with the common components or features of a floor plan. In drafting the floor plan, these are the common features of the plan drawn by the house planners and designers in our context. The components of the floor plan are: column, window, room label, wall, roof line, extension line, arrowhead, dimension line, fixtures, furniture, door, door label, dimension or numerals, window label, cutting plane line, scale, end, title.